Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover effective study techniques with Babbel, beginner guide step by step clearly. To recover effective study techniques with Babbel, start by setting clear learning goals. Identify specific language skills you want to improve. Allocate dedicated study time to ensure consistency. Create a comfortable and quiet study environment free from distractions. Log into your Babbel account and explore the language courses available. Choose a course that aligns with your goals and interests. Begin with the introductory lessons to grasp foundational concepts. Take notes during lessons to reinforce your learning. Utilize Babbel's interactive exercises to practice vocabulary and grammar. Incorporate spaced repetition by revisiting previously completed lessons. Engage with the community features to connect with other learners. Ask questions and share tips with fellow users for collaborative learning. Consider setting up a study schedule using Babbel's lesson planner. Incorporate audio and speaking activities to enhance pronunciation skills. Use Babbel's review manager to track your progress and focus on challenges. Practice regularly, aiming for shorter, more frequent study sessions. Reflect on your learning process to identify what techniques work best for you. Adjust your study methods based on your reflections for continuous improvement. Stay motivated by celebrating small achievements in your language journey. Remember that consistency is key to long-term retention and mastery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.